Okay guys, hello. So we will make an experiment guys. Okay, so for today's video guys, we will be weighing all of the packs from this white flare box. And we will open the highest or the heaviest weight. Okay, are you ready? So this one is composed of 20 booster pack. Okay, 20 booster pack guys. And as I believe, one pack is usually around 12.6 because the quantity of this pack is 7 cards. So there's 7 cards inside of this pack. So 12.4. Okay, let's check. 12.4. Let's weigh each one guys, and we will select the heaviest pack. So the heaviest pack probably has the better hits. 12.4. So it's consistent. Actually, you will know that the card is a legitimate if the weight is almost consistent. Okay, so it's 12.4. 12.4 nothing. 12.4. We will be opening only guys one pack guys to show to you that the heaviest pack has the best hits. But why? Oh my god, this is insane. All of the packs is 12.4. So I don't really know if there is something special on these packs, or Uy, 12.8 guys. We got some 12.8 here for the first time. Okay, 12.8 on the last packs. 12.8 guys on the last 4 packs. So probably the hit is on these 4 packs. So okay, I plan to open maximum 2 because we are selling all of these packs. Actually, this one is just for an experiment, so hopefully we can get something out of it. Okay, let's see guys. For our experiment, for the sake of our experiment, let's open this pack. Actually guys, I can feel that it's a bit bulky. There's a bit bulk inside. So probably guys, there's really a good hit on this. Wow, look at that EX card and reverse holo card. So we got some 2 hits here, and the reverse holo guys is a master. There's some master ball, Okay, very nice. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, for the sake of the video and for the sake of experiment, we will be opening 3 more packs. Oh my god, this is insane. This is insane. Let's see. Let's go. Holo and reverse holo. So I really believe guys that this holo and reverse holo cards is heavier compared to normal cards because they're weighing 12.8, while the other packs is 12.4. So let's see guys. Please, please, please. Oh my god, only holo and reverse holo. I think our conclusion is a bit correct, but it's not precise that the highest weight has the best hits. That's what I'm thinking about. Guys, let's go! Let's go! No, it's not SR. It's only a illustration rare, but this is really nice. We'll take that, guys. We had some EX, 1 illustration rare, and a lot of bunch of holos. So we can conclude, guys, in our video that the heaviest pack has really some hits. Thank you so much. God bless. Please subscribe.